that jump's right over my head.
There was the 107 bridge.
Take a look at this shocking footage. A powerful flood has broken through the basement wall, filling the room in seconds and sweeping everything in its path. Truly an unbelievable display of nature's force. In Bangladesh, this house is being destroyed by the heavy accumulation of monsoon rainwater. Villagers stand watching in shock, realizing there's nothing they can do to stop nature's power. These people were traveling in a car when suddenly, stones started raining down from the top of the mountain. Thankfully, they were only a few seconds behind. In Puerto Rico, the floodwaters ripped the bridge from its foundation, leaving construction workers in shock as they watched nature's unstoppable force. While cycling on a mountain trail, these riders were suddenly swarmed by a group of bees. A large tree suddenly falls from above. Thankfully, the child swiftly moves out of the way just in time. This house was swept away by a powerful flood in India. On September 8th, 2018, a powerful typhoon hit Osaka, Japan. Fierce winds and flooding swept through the city, causing major damage and halting daily life. This dangerous flood recently struck Spain, causing extensive damage across the country. As you can see in this video, the floodwaters rush into a store, sweeping away all the goods in its path. On September 16, 2024, a powerful earthquake hit Indonesia, triggering panic and chaos. CCTV footage from a restaurant captures the moment diners rush for safety as the ground shakes violently.
She's going.
This couple stands calmly on the beach when suddenly a powerful lightning strike hits nearby. Thankfully, he escapes unharmed. This bus was swept away by the surging waters of a river, following a heavy downpour in Himachal Pradesh, India. Thankfully, there was no one inside.
Getting real windy in just a second.
Аз игнорува раката.
Look at that huge tornado ripping through Colorado near Ray. It's both breathtaking and terrifying to witness the sheer power of nature. A peaceful lakeside view turns terrifying as a powerful landslide crashes down, uprooting trees and sending debris into the water.
Oh my God!
Oh putain. Oh putain.
Due to heavy rains and rising river waters in Shikarpur, India, this house is slowly being submerged and destroyed. In this situation, we are left as powerless bystanders. Due to the raging flood, these shops were destroyed within seconds. This flood is absolutely terrifying.
遇到烦事不要慌，先把手机掏出来拍个朋友。
This guy captures a dramatic and perilous rockfall, as massive boulders tumble relentlessly from the mountain's peak, creating a fierce and life-threatening scene. Take a look at this powerful tornado that hit China in 2013, leaving widespread destruction in its wake. This road collapsed under the pressure of flooding in Wandoor, India. Take a look at this dancing bridge, swaying under the force of the rushing water.
Watch out for the shock, it's coming.
A powerful avalanche crashes down, completely burying these parked cars under a blanket of snow.
That's weird.
Look at this monstrous tornado tearing through the town, ripping apart everything in its path, as debris fills the sky and chaos erupts at every turn.
Ready, Dan?
Massive rocks crash into a river in India, destroying a bridge in seconds. This bridge is barely hanging on as floodwaters rush below, surrounding construction equipment and piles of materials. You can see excavators and cranes left stranded in the chaos, showing just how powerful nature can be. In 1980, a powerful eruption at Mount St. Helens sent massive clouds of ash and pyroclastic flows down its slopes. The blast reshaped the mountain's summit and darkened skies across several states, marking it as one of the most significant volcanic events in U.S. history.
Northwest side is right down.
This bridge was destroyed by the powerful flood in Pakistan. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay informed, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible content. See you in the next one.